I hope by now you have understood the whole idea of passive voice. Now let's learn how to use it in simple past tense. She scratched his car badly. Of course, it's an active sentence. The subject, she, did the action to the object, car. She scratched it. To make a passive sentence in simple past, we use the verb be in the correct past form and past participle form of the verb. As you remember, there are two past forms of be, was for singular nouns, and were for plural nouns. Now let's convert our example into passive voice. His car was scratched badly, or his car was scratched badly by her. The passive sentence doesn't focus on who did it, who scratched the car, but on the fact that it was scratched. And who did it is not that important. Another example. He punched Jack right in the face. It's an active sentence, and the passive one would be Jack was punched right in the face. In the first example, Jack was the object that received the action, punch, from the subject, he. And in the second passive example, Jack is a passive subject, passive followed by be, in the past form, followed by past participle. In passive voice, the main verb is always in the past participle form. If it's not past participle, it's not passive. Simple as that. Please remember it. Okay, now you try. Convert this sentence into passive. He destroyed all the evidence. He left nothing behind. There are two sentences here. Put both in passive. The right answer would be all the evidence was destroyed, or all the evidence was destroyed by him. Nothing was left behind. If you got it right, my congratulations. Let's try one more example. The same task. Convert the sentence into passive. They made the whole movie in less than a year. Obviously, the right answer would be the whole movie was made in less than a year. Okay, this is it. Let's jump right into the next episode. Stay tuned.